Here I have Mercedes Vito, and let me show you how to use the attention assist. Let me show you how to turn it on or off, and also let me show you how to change the level of this feature. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen of the Mercedes infotainment system. Let's swipe here to the left until you see the car icon. Let's tap it to open the settings. Then from the following menu, let me select the first section, which is the assistance, and choose here the assistance. Now you've got access to attention assist. What it does, this is a safety feature designed to prevent accidents caused by fatigue. It monitors your steering behavior and driving patterns, so you can enable this or disable it. You can also here tap the settings icon to choose the level. It could be the sensitive or standard. I think standard in my case it's enough. So that's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave thumbs up.